Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the non-normal procedure that's used following the failure of a transformer rectifier unit. Transformer rectifier units, or TRUs, convert 115-volt AC electrical power that's generated by the engine-driven IDGs into 28-volt DC power. The 737 has 3 TRUs that are connected in parallel, and they can share the electrical load through a crossbus tie. Let's join the flight as we descend on an arrival into Los Angeles International Airport, California. As soon as the master caution light and electrical annunciation illuminate, the pilot flying states,
"My aircraft."
Once verbalized, the master caution button can be pressed to extinguish the light and avoid distraction. The issue is identified on the overhead panel. The light, TR unit, an abbreviation for transformer rectifier unit, is illuminated. The pilot flying therefore asks for the
TR unit checklist.
The pilot monitoring checks if it's on the Quick Reference Card, QRC, if applicable, then checks in the Quick Reference Handbook, QRH. It can be found in the index under T, and it directs us to page 6.7. On page 6.7, a picture of the light is displayed alongside the procedure title. It matches the illuminated TR unit light on the overhead panel. The pilot monitoring now reads the non-normal procedure title and description to the pilot flying, seeking agreement if it's the correct checklist, before continuing.
TR unit checklist. 1 or more transformer rectifiers are failed. Do you agree?
I agree.
The pilot monitoring then reads the first step.
1. Do not use the AFDS approach mode.
AFDS stands for Autopilot Flight Director System. So the checklist prevents us from selecting approach mode, which has implications for the approach. Will we fly a non-ILS and keep the automation in VNAV and LNAV? If we fly an ILS, without flight directors selected, we'll have to hand fly the approach. Flying the approach without flight directors is referred to as a raw data ILS, and requires extra attention. One thing to be aware of is possible increased weather minimums when flying a raw data approach. Will you still be able to land on the intended runway taking into account these increased minimums? While this checklist has only one step, the ramifications of not having flight directors and approach mode may affect the approach. The pilot monitoring now reads the note. And as the 4 black boxes indicate the checklist is complete, also states that to the pilot flying.
Note, Autoland is not available. TR unit checklist complete.
The TR unit light illuminates in one of 2 conditions. On the ground if any transformer rectifier fails. In flight if TR1 fails, or if both TR2 and TR3 have failed. Let's use the AC and DC metering panel to see which occurred. Turning the DC selector to TR1 shows no DC amps and 28 volts. TR1 is the issue. DC bus 1 is however still being powered, as the TRUs are connected by a crossbus tie relay. The failure of any TRU results in the load being provided by the remaining TRUs. There is an exception however, the crossbus tie relay opens when the glide slope is captured, when using the Autopilot Flight Director System and approach mode. In this case, that would result in DC bus 1 being unpowered as soon as the glide slope is captured. If used, it would cause the autopilot to disengage and the flight directors to be unavailable. Let's check TR2 and TR3. Both TR2 and 3 show DC amps. We hope you enjoyed this look at the non-normal procedure following the failure of a transformer rectifier. If so, please click on like. If not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and learn more about the 737 in our future videos. Thank you.